Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a book that has been getting a lot of buzz lately, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book is a fascinating read that explores how our mindset and emotions affect our relationship with money. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the key takeaways from this book that I found to be particularly insightful. One of the biggest takeaways from The Psychology of Money is the importance of time when it comes to building wealth. Housel argues that the most valuable asset we have is time and that it's important to start investing as early as possible. He gives several examples of how people who start investing at a young age can end up with significantly more wealth than those who wait until later in life. Understanding risk. Another key lesson from the book is the importance of understanding risk. Housel explains that risk is an inherent part of investing and that it's important to understand the risks involved in order to make informed decisions. He also stresses that risk is not the same as volatility and that just because an investment is volatile, it doesn't necessarily mean it's risky. 3. The role of luck. Housel also discusses the role of luck in investing and how it's important to recognize that luck plays a significant role in our financial outcomes. He stresses that while we can control our decisions and behaviors, we can't control the outcomes of those decisions. Therefore, it's important to focus on the process rather than the outcome. The power of compounding. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compounding, and Housel spends a lot of time discussing its importance in The Psychology of Money. He explains that the earlier we start investing, the more time we have for our money to compound and grow. He also stresses that even small amounts of money can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. The impact of emotions on investing. Another important topic covered in the book is the impact of emotions on our investing decisions. Housel argues that our emotions can often lead us to make irrational decisions that can be detrimental to our financial well-being. He gives several examples of how emotions like fear and greed can lead people to make poor investing decisions. The value of simplicity. Housel also stresses the value of simplicity in investing. He argues that the most successful investors are often those who keep things simple and avoid overly complicated strategies. He gives several examples of how simple, low-cost index funds can often outperform more complex investment strategies. The importance of savings. In addition to investing, Housel also emphasizes the importance of saving. He argues that the amount we save is often more important than the rate of return we earn on our investments. He gives several examples of how people who save aggressively can end up with significantly more wealth than those who focus solely on investing. The danger of debt. Another important topic covered in the book is the danger of debt. Housel explains that debt can be a significant burden and that it's important to be mindful of our debt levels. He gives several examples of how high levels of debt can prevent people from achieving their financial goals. The role of diversification. As we saw earlier, there are no guarantees when it comes to investing. This is where diversification comes into play. The book emphasizes the importance of diversification, which is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and even countries. Diversification helps to reduce the risk of any single investment or sector dragging down your entire portfolio. The value of time in investing. The Psychology of Money also highlights the importance of time in investing. The longer your investment horizon, the better your chances of success. In the book, Morgan Housel writes, "The single greatest thing you can do for your money is to not mess with it. Trying to time the market or frequently buying and selling stocks can actually harm your returns. It's important to have patience and let the power of compound interest work its magic over time. The role of behavior in investing. The psychology of money discusses the impact of human behavior on investing. Our emotions and biases can often lead us astray, causing us to make irrational decisions that hurt our portfolio returns. Morgan Housel emphasizes the importance of recognizing these biases and striving to overcome them. He writes, "The best financial plan is the one that you can stick with." In other words, it's important to have a plan and stick to it, even when the market gets volatile or uncertain. The importance of flexibility. The psychology of money stresses the importance of flexibility when it comes to investing. No one knows what the future holds, and the best-laid plans can often go awry. It's important to be flexible and willing to adjust your investments and goals as circumstances change. As the book notes, success is not a point on a graph, it's a forward-looking estimate of what you think you can stick with and what you'll abandon when things get tough. In conclusion, The Psychology of Money is a fascinating and insightful book that provides valuable lessons on investing and personal finance. Through real-world stories and examples, Morgan Housel highlights the importance of understanding the psychology of money, as well as the role of patience, diversification, time, behavior, and flexibility in achieving financial success. By taking these lessons to heart, readers can develop a better understanding of their own relationship with money and take practical steps towards building a more secure financial future. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you've read The Psychology of Money, let us know in the comments what you thought of the book and what lessons you learned from it. We'll see you in the next video.